Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of jQuery series, Clone an element using jQuery. In addition to moving elements, you can also copy them from one place to another. jQuery has a function called clone that makes a copy of an element. For example, if we wanted to copy target 2 from our left wheel to right wheel, we would use first we will target, then clone, and then append that into the place where we want. Did you notice that this involves sticking two jQuery functions together? This is called function chaining, and it's convenient way to get things done with jQuery. Clone your target 5 element and append it to your left well. Let's do that. First we will target 5, then clone, then append to left well. Okay, we have not given the symbol for id, that is hash symbol, and now we can see another copy of target 5 here. Let's run the test and download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.